I will talk about how can you delete account on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on money down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account and security. You just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. Just click here on delete account. You just click on it. So then you click here on continue to delete account. Then you give them a reason. Then it's going to delete with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.